Welcome to easy3dbiz.com, giving you an update on the 0-point energy battery. Basically, I took apart this LED flashlight right here, and I currently have the bulb right here, and I'm just showing you that I'm able to light up the LEDs right here, no problem. So you can see on, off, and then on, and basically this is an LED flashlight right here that I took apart, and I basically just took the bulb and took it out of the flashlight just like that because I couldn't figure out how to wire it up. But it lights its LEDs up no problem. And then, as you probably saw earlier in my last video, basically I was using the piezo electric buzzer right here, and I was running the piezos through here to get a sound out. Let's hook up the piezo again, show you guys really quickly. Quite simply the power that we have here. And make sure the polarity is correct, that's very important. Yeah, it lights up the piezo, no problem at all. I'll turn that off because it drives me nuts as much as it probably drives you nuts listening to that crazy sound. And then I also have the 5 LEDs right here, which I showed you guys earlier, which basically lights it up. As you guys can see, there's 5 LEDs right here. This is just a simple working example of the power that we're starting to accomplish right here and accumulate with these 0-point energy batteries. Basically, we're just getting more and more power out of these right now. And currently, we're running over 8.5 volts with just with these simple 7 cells. I'll go ahead and run it through the voltmeter again, so you know your new viewers can take a look at it. It's about 7.69, 7.73, 7.74. Now, this is really only a very cheap setup. I should be using 0.99% silver wire, but I'm waiting for some more silver wire to come in. It increases the conductivity even more. Basically, I have 7 of these guys all wired up in series, and I'm able to get a really good current coming out of it. And it's been powering this LED right here for over 3 weeks. And some of these cells are over 3 weeks old. They've been powering continuously. Now this cell here is definitely over 3 weeks old. Let's go ahead and hook up the voltmeter and see what we get for the voltage. Okay, I'm going to go and hook it up right here. I'll hook this one to here like this. And then we'll hook up the other side. Should be about right here. And after 3 weeks of continuous running LEDs, it's at 1.09 volts. So that's one of the batteries at 1.09 volts, continuously running the LED for over 3 weeks. And that's this one right here. It still hasn't died out. It's still dry on the inside. It's still operating well. Let's take a look at another cell. This one here is also 3 weeks old. It's got the original 0.999% silver wire. Let's take a reading on it. This one's 1.15 volts. And remember, this has been running continuously for over 3 weeks, the LED. And it's at 1.15 volts. And that's this one individual cell right here. And once again, as you can see on the inside, it's all dry. I'm not using any moisture or anything like that. It's completely dry. And it's still performing well after 3 weeks. And basically this LED has been running continuously now for 3 weeks. I just took it apart to give you some working examples here of the device. It's been doing extremely well. I'm extremely happy with its performance. Anyway, I've added a new link on the bottom of the video right here. It gives you Tom Bearden's new book. Somebody put it online. I encourage you to buy Tom Bearden's book. He's done some very, very outstanding work in the 0-point energy field. He should be congratulated. and his work should be taken also, once again, more seriously in this field. In the future, I'm working on versions that will be even stronger and will show almost no signs of corrosion whatsoever through a natural corrosion process, which basically kills the batteries, the natural corrosion. But the 0 point energy just keeps flowing through these things. It never seems to die. And I'm working on the super ones, which will be hopefully in a few more weeks, a few more days. Anyway, thank you for watching, and this is ed3dbiz.com. Thanking you all for watching, wishing you good luck in your 0 point energy research, and also continued luck and success. Have a great week.